Guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, special welcome to you. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate your Windows 11 screen. Basically, your display. So it's very easy. All you have to do is just go ahead and right click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and go to settings, or you can simply right click on your desktop and go to display settings. Right now, if you do that, it's very fast. It takes you right into your display settings and you can easily go ahead and find that option. So what you want to do, guys, if you're using multiple screen, you want to ensure that you select the screen that you want to go ahead and test that in. So this is currently selecting my display 1, but the screen that I'm currently working on now is display 2. So I'm going to select that display here, and then from here, if I go down to display orientation and do, for example, portrait, you will see right here that my screen is rotated. So you can easily go ahead, guys, and do this if you so desire, want to do this. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.